After boot, the interface will show the Wizard Start screen. The first setting is the Wi-Fi. Click on the satellite icon aside of the SSID to show all available networks and select yours. Then click on the password field and write your Wi-Fi password. Once done, click outside of the keyboard to close it and click on Save to update your Wi-Fi settings. The Wi-Fi configuration will be saved and reloaded. Then you should see a confirmation on the Wi-Fi status showing you are connected and your connection IP. From here, you can continue the setup on your computer via browser if you prefer. Click Continue. Next, you will set up the host name. It's strongly suggested to change it and add a reference of the location in case you add more interfaces later on. Click the host name edit box and use the keyboard to change it. Once done, click outside of the keyboard to close it and click Save. After the saving confirmation, click Continue. Next, you will set up the home screen. Click the URL edit box and add your URL. Once done, click outside of the keyboard to close it and click Save. After the saving confirmation, click Continue. Next, it's the MQTT connection. Edit your MQTT server, making sure you add the port following the example. Select the authentication mode. Then click Save, and after confirmation, click Continue. Note that the server is not updated until you enter the credentials. Enter username and password. Click Save, wait for the confirmation, and click and Continue. In any screen, you can click on the top right QR code icon and scan it to go to the user manual web page. You are all set. Click on the menu icon on the top left and click Reboot. After reboot, you will see your dashboard. Have fun!